what usually is a bleach spot, isn't it? Or it's from Oxy-10. What's in there? This is old, so it's all dried out. Acne pimple medication. Whew. Boy, has that ever fine print. Benzoyl peroxide is its ingredient. It's in, but this stuff is in some shower cleaners, hair conditioner cream. It's in some dandruff shampoos, foot fungus medication, even some denture soaps is in there. It contains 10% benzoyl peroxide. Now, hydrogen peroxide evaporates because it's liquid. Benzoyl peroxide in a cream, guess what? Doesn't evaporate. And frequently, it either bleaches it out or it turns it red. So we'll run into that. And here's the real big problem. The teenage boy, you ever had to use it, Stephen? No. Yeah. Isn't he handsome? He's good. He's a good-looking kid. Well, you ought to see him. I gave him a prettiest hat. Gave him my hat. He looks good in it. Nice and tall and movie actor type of person. Well, my younger son, however, was one of these kids that had, the pimples and everything. So he used this stuff a lot. But sometimes you'll be in this house, you've cleaned it, and you get a phone call. There's bleached out spots. Where? By the TV. Why? He smeared it all over his face, sitting in front of the TV with his hands on the carpet. Guess what activates acne medicine? Water. You're cleaning with water. So, this may not ever happen to you, but there is that potential. Whose fault is it? Yours. You're the last person there. Obviously, it was your fault. So, but that can happen to you. Fortunately, anymore, they treat it a little differently sometimes, so where it's not as common. If you see some on there, blot with safety solve, treat with bleach or neutralizer, which we have, tell the customer what might happen in a few. Like that there. We have something new. It's come from CTI. It's called their carpet dye repair kit. Comes with 3 things. Pro-Solvent E, which is a strong solvent, and we need that. Comes with 6 colors, but we're not dyeing the carpet. What we are doing, these are kind of like a wax material with a dye in them. What's great about it is I can rub it in and adjust, and if I went too far, it comes right off with that solvent. Try it again.
Is it permanent?
Once I'm all done, it's semi-permanent. If you clean, of course, it'll take it back off. I mean, yeah, it's not like the prism thing. And of course, anytime we have this, we need to neutralize it, so we have the product Chlorex, which is a reducing bleach to take care of, because that's all very important. This is a color chart where we have our primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. Of course, blue and yellow makes green. Red and yellow makes orange, and so forth. And then your brown, your black, yellow, black, and orange give you kind of a brownish color. That's what you're usually aiming for, is balancing the colors. With this happens to be acne medicine here. One of the key telling points that it's acne medicine, I just made an X with it and then kind of put a damp towel on it to kind of speed up everything. You'll notice that it's yellow. It's what you notice around the edge, a pink halo. Here, blue and red are both gone. Here, the blue's gone, but the red isn't. And very often with acne medicine, that's the key. You'll notice a red halo.